If you've clicked on this video, you have been led here by this spirit world, and I am going to show you how to connect. But there is something that you must understand. Connection is awareness, not meditation. In this video, I'm going to help you to be able to connect to the spirit world. You don't connect by doing a meditation. Every day, your awareness is being drawn closer and closer to the spirit world. And I'm going to show you in under a minute how you can connect anytime, any place, any given moment, so that you can have that clarity, direction and purpose from the spirit world. This is no hocus pocus, this is no magical rituals, this is no fairy tale. This is going to give you what you need here, now, in this moment. One of the biggest problems that each and every one of you are going to face when you are wanting to connect to the spirit world is you try too hard. And I get it. Of course I do. Every one of you want to be able to connect to your loved ones. Who wouldn't? Who in the right state of mind wouldn't want to see their loved ones again? To be able to share some of those fond memories that you once had. To be able to hold them in your arms and to be able to speak to them once again. You are not alone. But the problem is by what we want. We as human beings, we come to expectations based on our own wants, needs and desires. And unfortunately, when this comes into mediumship and spirit communication, we block it and sever the connection from taking place because we are trying so hard. The truth is, the spirit world is actually felt when you stop trying. When you start understanding that they are with you, the conscious energy that is all around your human form, you are connected to it, endless in abundance. However, because you are trying and actively searching and wanting that connection to take place, it is not happening in the way that you have manifested it. It is not happening in the way that you have projected it. It is not working in the way that you want it to happen. Stop forcing it. Stop trying and start embracing. There's one thing that the spirit world taught me. It's the more that you try, the less that you will feel. Not because the spirit world leaves you, but your awareness starts to collapse in on itself. It rots to the very core. You stop using your senses. You stop using those clair abilities. You stop using those extrasensory perceptions because you have tunnel vision. You can see the end goal. You see what you want to achieve, but unfortunately, we aren't taking those baby steps to get there. We aren't taking the steps that we so need to be able to succeed in the spirit connection to take place. Well, enough of that anyway. Now I've got your attention, let's get into what you've actually clicked on the video for. Remember to smash that like button to place the intent, and let's get straight into it. What I would like you to do now is to look all around. We are going to take a deep breath in, just feeling that oxygen rejuvenate our lungs, and we are going to exhale. And I would like you to say, I, in this moment, I'm not just proud of who I am, I know what I am destined to do. I am destined to connect to the spirit world. Then, in that moment of noticing the connection, noticing anything, I would like you to hold on to the thought. Whether that be you are feeling something, a sensation, whether that is a nice coldness wrapping all around your human form, whether that be just a gentle kiss, a gentle reminder of the earthly person who you are trying to connect with. Then, what I would like you to do is to embrace it, enjoy it, and remember, that's as simple and as easy as it is. Spirit communicates through you, through your presence, your awareness in a situation. Not effort, not how many times you do something. Spirit world are always there. They're always by your side. One thing that I'll say is if you're waiting for something extraordinary to happen, if you're waiting for something magical to happen, if you are waiting, eliminate all of those expectations, because for each and every one of you, my friends, this is going to be very, very different. Do not expect, do not try to think of how this is going to work for yourself. Unfortunately, it's magical, it's beautiful, and it blows me away every time I connect. If you're aware, you're already connected. If you've had that initial thought, you are already connected. If you have placed your intent, you are already connected. So stop forcing it and start enjoying it. Let us know down in the comment section how it went for you, and remember, you can repeat this anytime. It's that simple. That's all you have to do to place your intent. Stop forcing it and start enjoying it. See you in the next one.